Hi mga kalodi! For today's video, mukhaon na po ang murikan. Kaya ka po gutom na gikan sa skulahan. Kaya taon, manarbaho na po taon dyan, no? So karon guys, tako na yun. Pero gusto ko dili mag-rice. Unta, ambot nang nakoy-rice sa skillet. Kung di makaya. Well, labi ba ikaw, no? Nakoy bihon, Mrs. Carbs, gapon siya sa mga nagparay diet. Tapos kaya kapag-kawag bihon, useless na siya. Chicken. Oh, then ang sabaw, kabulaan nun ta. Mga kumta guys. Amen. Dapat na may prayer o bisa pag mga tagbatasan. Kumta guys. Ay try ko mag-rice phone ug nga. Buto man eh. Kumta. Upload tag mga 3 minutes or 5 minutes sa prap. Tas ang reels. Ngayon guys. Kaya kung mas kailan magod ko guys, di ko mukhaon to the first. Uli na ko mukhaon kay prap. Na-feel ko na ko ang gutom. Kaya buntag mo kayo, buntag na sa iyo, nagkakape lang ko. Sahay, wala dyan. Anong gutom. Then now, try na ko ang rice. O shout out ko sa akong mga viewers. Na mga viewers ba nga o kaya karami sa comment section nga. Wala man lang kabalo sa mga story, no? Kanang anak, baka nang di lang pwede mangutana lang sa first. Instead nga mag-conclude ayon. It's better to ask something about your assumption or everything enable for us to know also. To know you both. To know us both. Di ba kayo mag-conclude ng tag mga something ba nga without knowing, di ba? With this line siya. Yun. Ngunang before we judge someone or something, dapat natin mga mga reliable sources, which is anang grabe jud ang inyong hugot ni kasuko nga matakabalo nga tanada imong ginaano is wala po dinay sela. Yes natay sala pero di siya totally ang dako og sala. And ang judgment nimo sa ako is grabe na, no? That's why it's better to direct message me para natok na to ng mga arguments or mga hagulhol sa imong dughang para maging clear po siya. Ganang man. Commenting in a public post, if someone react without any evidences or let's say reliable sources, I think it's bad. Because if you are always it's insisting that you have the freedom, you have the rights and everything, well, even though murag balik na po nang imuha, you always use the freedom of speech, everything. Oh my God, don't use that. Don't tolerate that freedom name gusto about. Make some sense. Ask first. O gusto ka ask first, then verify it first before you conclude, diba? Because anyone can read, somebody can read, and because of that comment, everyone can judge me holistically, diba? Mo nang di ta magiging hypocrite to, di ta magiging one-sided. So, that's not good. Sorry kaya taas ko respeto sa imong kuya. Then you judge me na based of what you heard, based of what you see, without knowing the real or the authentic. Ano ba? Sometimes we need to be mindful on our words, especially commenting on the post publicly. Because anyone can read, diba? Let's say I try to put this one in your situation. And I will comment there. I rant a comment there. How would you feel? And you don't know. And you know yourself nga wala do kay sala jud nga dako ang sala. How would you feel? Diba? If I will judge you. Napakaipa-question sa ko nga. Sure ka? Sa to? Anang sure ka? Sa tingin ko na. Let's try to post the comments, not the picture. The comments na lang. Or sa conversation na mo. About that. Because my intention is clear. Diba? If wala ko yung intention, mga nindot, sure ka nga i-post na ko itong video? Diba? Sure ka nga ako itong i-post? I-proud? Diba? Ako pa kami like initiate of things just to fix everything. Kylie, you said that we are the reason or we are the roots of this chaosity. Yeah. Because what mo na minus among side. Actually, this is only my point of view. Wala pa to sa kauban. Diba? This is my personal point of view and personal reaction of the post that you met, of the comments that you posted on my video. Actually, gihide na ko siya. Why? Not because, but because I don't want people make a topic on that. Because very irrelevant siya. Because everything is done naman ba? Before we slept that night, after sa katong nga something, we clear on it. We are sorry if we did mistake. I thought everything is clear. Then, my God. Guys, spread love. Forgive everything. That's it. Showing kindness and sincere acceptance to the person who made mistakes on us. As long as they ask sorry. But wala silang ask na yung pasay doon. As long as someone ask sorry, we're just human being, guys. We need to accept. As long as wala nakita nga bahid na hugaw. Diba? Nawat na ko. Yun lang. This is only my statement, guys. I'm mad in a way nga you judge me, but nothing else, nothing more. Yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Tas taas kong video diri pero that's only my point of view. Sa wakabalo, wala na tayo kailangan itakal. Sa nakabalo lang, yun ang aking side. Maayong buntag, kapamilya. I love you all. I love you. Peace.